Ever feel like your money's just sitting there, not really growing? You're not alone. We all want to make our money work for us, but figuring out how can feel overwhelming. That's where platforms like Raiz come in. But does Raiz actually make you money? Let's dive in and find out. Raiz is a micro-investing app that allows you to invest spare change. It's designed to be super simple. You link your bank account, and Raiz automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Sounds pretty effortless, right? But does this set it and forget it approach actually lead to significant returns? Investment options. Raiz offers a variety of investment options, from conservative to aggressive. Choosing the right portfolio for your risk tolerance and financial goals is crucial. Fees. Raiz charges management fees, which can impact your overall returns. It's essential to understand the fee structure and how it might affect your investment growth. Compounding. The magic of compounding is a key factor in long-term investing. Even small, consistent contributions can grow significantly over time, thanks to the power of compounding. Raiz can help you harness this power by automating regular investments. Dollar cost averaging. By investing small amounts regularly, you are essentially dollar cost averaging. This strategy helps you avoid trying to time the market and can reduce the impact of market volatility. Let's look at an example. Imagine you spend $50 a week. Raiz would round up your purchases to $51, investing that extra dollar. Over a year, that's $52 invested. Now, imagine you maintain this consistent investment for 10 years. Even with modest returns, the impact of compounding can be substantial. Of course, past performance is not indicative of future results. Market fluctuations can impact your returns, and there's always an element of risk involved in investing. Pros. Simplicity. Raiz is incredibly easy to use and requires minimal effort. Accessibility. It makes investing accessible to everyone, even those who are new to investing. Automation. Automating your investments helps you stay disciplined and stick to your investment plan. Cons. Fees. Management fees can eat into your returns over time. Limited control. You have limited control over your investments compared to actively managed portfolios. Potential for lower returns. Depending on your chosen portfolio and market conditions, your returns may be lower than more actively managed investment strategies. Does Raiz make you money? It can. But it's not a guaranteed get-rich-quick scheme. Raiz can be a valuable tool for building long-term wealth, especially for beginners. However, it's crucial to understand the fees, choose the right investment options for your risk tolerance, and remember that investing always carries some level of risk. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.